Welcome to Eucharito Music Academy. And today we shall be looking at a new topic called rest. Rest. Rest is a period of silence in music. We hear the word rest means a period of silence in music. So rest is a period of silence in music. A short period of might be short, might be long, there's a period of silence in music. Hallelujah, hallelujah. That means that you pause before you start again. That's the rest we're talking about. So now, and there are different types of rest. There are different types of rest. There's semi-brief rest, there's meaning rest, there's the crotchet rest, there's the quiver rest, there's the semi-quiver rest. Now let's start from the first one. Semi-brief rest. This is the shape for the semi-brief rest. Like a rectangle, shaded rectangle. The semi-brief rest has 4 beats. Now let's go to the next one, meaning. The meaning rest has 2 beats and it's the same shape with the semi-brief rest, just that they have different positions. We'll get there very soon. Now the crotchet rest is drawn like this, something like a Z and a C under, or something like this. You see it? You either draw it like this or draw it like this. And the crotchet rest has 1 beat. A quiver rest is drawn like this, and it has half beat. A semi-quiver rest is drawn like this, and it has this symbol for a semi-quiver rest, and it has 1/4 beats. You know this is the semi. These are quiver notes. It has one tail. Semi-quiver has 2 tails. So our quiver rest. So you can remember it to this one tail coming the other way, other way. Semi-quiver rest, 2 tails coming this way. You understand? So it's very simple. This is the note, and this is the rest. This is the note, this is the rest. Now, how do we draw our rest on the stage? How do we draw our rest on the stage? Let's start with the first one, the semi-brief rest. We draw the semi-brief rest. It's hanging on the fourth line. Hanging on the fourth line. The meaning rest sits on the third line. That's just the difference. The difference between the semi-brief rest and the meaning rest is their position. The semi-brief rest is hanging on the fourth line, while the meaning rest is sitting on the third line. The crotchet rest is drawn like this and drawn like this. See it? Or like this. I see it. That way. Let me draw it again. I see it like this. Z and C on that. Z and C on that. Now the quiver rest is like this. Quiver rest. Semi-quiver rest. 1, 2. Exercise 2. Add one. You see the exercise on this one, the capital letters. Add one rest, one at each assembly this mark to make the bar complete. A completely silent bar always has a semi-brief rest, not only in 4/4 but also in 3/4 and in 2/4. Number one thing you should take note of: add one rest, not add rest. Add one rest and add rest. They are 2 different things. That is to say, in no account should you add more than one rest in a bar. add one rest. Second thing to look for is that a completely silent bar should carry a semi-brief rest. A complete silent bar should carry a semi-brief rest. A complete silent bar is a bar that has no note in it except the rest. Now let's go. The first one here was the example. Let me explain it. 4/4 time means each bar to contain four crochets. Now this is one crochet, this is one crochet. We have one crochet, one crochet. That's two crochets, and we need four crochets to make it a complete bar. So what value of rest should we put? Should we put a mini rest, a semi rest, a crochet rest, what rest? We need a rest that has two beats. A rest that has two beats. And what is that rest? Is a mini rest. A mini rest. Come here. This is like this. A mini rest. Are you seeing it? A mini rest. Because it's purple. Now let's come here. You see the position I put it. Now this is one beat, one beat. This other beat here. There are three beats. We need one more beat to make it 4/4. So this will be a crochet rest. Z over C. Are you seeing it? Make it 4/4. One beat, one beat, one beat rest, one beat. Everything gives us 4 beats. Now let's go to this one. This is one beat, one beat, one beat. This is half beat. This is 3.5 beats already. And we need 4 beats, 4 crochets. This is 3.5. What do we need to add to make it 4? 3.5. We need half. And what is that half? Half is like this. Am I correct? Yes. Are you seeing it? Look at this one. This is 2 bits already. We need 2 more bits to make it 4 bits. So, let's go to the first exercise now. 3/4. The meaning and the crochet is already complete. The meaning is a semi-quiver. This is 2.5 already. 2 bits here, half bits here, 2.5. What do we need to add to this to have 3 bits? We need half to add to this half to make it 1, and to add to this 2 to make it 3. We need it. Quiver rest here. Quiver rest. Quiver rest. 1 minute plus 1 quiver plus 1 quiver is of 3 crochets. Now this is a complete silent bar. A complete no note inside, it's completely silent. The rule says that it must have a semi-brief rest. Now you say, but a semi-brief has 4 beats. A semi-brief has 4 beats, and now we're having 4 beats in 3/4. That is the rule. That is the rule. A complete silent bar should have what 4 beats rest. Let's go to the next one. It's still on 3/4. 1, 2 beats here, half here, 1/4 here. In total, we have this meaning is 2 plus this is half, and this is 1/4. We need another 1/4 to make this half, to add to this half, make it 1, and add it to make it 3. Let me write it here again. This is a meaning rest, this is 2 beats, quiver rest, a quiver note, a meaning note, a quiver note. Quiver is half, semi-quiver 1/4. Now watch carefully. I will need 3 crochet beats in this picture. This is already 2 already. This is already half. That's 2.5. So we need half to complete this thing 3. We need half. I already have 1/4 already. What do we need to add to 1/4 to give us half? We add 1/4, add another 1/4. This 2 1/4 will give us half. Half plus half, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. So we need 1/4 rest. In this case, it is this. Yeah. Isn't it? Don't color too much. Don't color too much. That is complete already. Three quaternions. Now let's come to this side. Let's come to this side. Now look, we have 2 4 here. 2 4. 2 4. Now if you watch carefully, let's pick one by one. This quartet here is 1 beat. Okay, that's on that back. And look at it there. There is a red that's supposed to be here. There is a red that's supposed to be here. This 1 2 3 4 semiquaver. 1/4. This is 1/4. This is 1/4. This is 1/4. All of them together will give us what? 1. Because this 2 will give us half. This 2 will give us half. We have 1 bit already. Now we have 1 bit here. Plus this 3 semiquaver here will give us 1/4. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. This 3 1/4. Look at them here. 3 1/4. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Now, this 2 1/4 will give us 1/2. This 2 1/4 will give us 1/2. It means that from this to this side, we're already having 1/2. So what do we need to add to 1/2 to have 2 is half. And we already have 1/4 here. So we need another 1/4 to add to this 1/4 to give us half 2. Yes. Now, in total, how many 1/4 will give us 2 bits? How many 1/4 will give us 2 bits? How many 1/4 semiquaver will give us 2 quartets? And look at it. 1 2 3 4. This is already 1 quartet already. 4 semiquavers makes 1 quartet. 4 semiquavers make 1 quartet. Now we have 1 2 3 4 semiquaver. It is giving us 1 quartet. Now we have 1 2 3 semiquaver. We need 4 semiquavers to make another 1 quartet. So we need extra 1 semiquaver here to make it 1 quartet. And when we add this 1 quartet to this 1 quartet, we have 2 quartet bits. So semiquaver rest will go here. Semiquaver rest will go here. You see, it's very simple, very simple. Let's go to the next one. We have 3 quavers here, 3 quavers. How many quavers makes up 1 quartet? How many quavers makes up 1 quartet? Okay, now take it this way. How many quavers makes up 2 quartets? How many quavers makes up 2 quartets? 4 quavers will give us 2 quartets. 4 quavers give us 2 quartets. Now we have already 3 quavers here already. We need 1 more quiver to give us. You see it? So this 4 quartets, 4 quiver rather, give us 2 quartet bits. Are you seeing it? Yes. Let's go to the last place here. We have 1 bit here already, but we need 2 quartet bits. What do we need to put here? We need the quartet rest to make it 2 quartet bits in the bar. And the quartet rest is that is Z on the C. Z is the C on the. Thank you for watching up to this time. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do. If this channel has been of help to you, subscribe to this channel, share it to all your friends, like the video, and also comment. Any question you have, there are no useless questions, there are no stupid questions. Any question you have, kindly put it in the comment section. I'll be right there waiting to answer all your questions. Bye for now. Bye bye.